Tonight on J-Ray's Kitchen, deer flank steak tacos. Let's get started. So I just killed a doe last week. Got fresh flank steak off the doe. I already cut it up into small strips. We need a pan. Turn it up on medium heat. A bit of oil. Now I'm going to take a little onion from my little garden and do a little chop. Amazing. Now we're going to add our deer meat. And it may not be taco seasoning, but I'm going to use some Tony Chachere's Bold Creole seasoning. It's got some spice and some heat. That should do it. I want to stir all this around until it gets good and brown. Now we're going to add about a half a tablespoon of butter. Mist. That's better. Alright. So now everything's browned up real good. Onions are nice and soft. Our taco meat is complete. So I got some tortilla shells here. I'm going to spoon in some of the meat. Look at that. Perfect. These are definitely not like the kids' tacos I made before. I got some freshly shredded cheese. Big shredded cheese. And some of my fresh homemade spicy garden salsa. You saw that video before too. And this is all you need. But if you want, you can also add lettuce, sliced up tomato, and avocado. Yeah, let's do that avocado. Notice how I'm slicing inside the skin. Follow the contour. Just like that. And then take and scoop it out. Alright, let's go tear into these deer flank steak tacos. Again, special thanks to my cousin Levi for suggesting this recipe. And a big, huge thanks to his whole family, Randy, Holly, Hunter, and Sawyer. They are great. They've always been there supporting me, gave me great ideas for videos, and they got a lot more great ideas coming up for me. Let's go tear it up. See you next time on J-Ray's Kitchen.